Hello everyone, I am Vineet Vishnu. I have been doing Google search ads for about 6.5 years now, and I'm here to share a small perspective with you. A lot of people worry about the cost of advertising in these times. I get a lot of queries where people are worried that their money is going to be wasted. I am happy to tell you that on Google, you know, you can spend a minuscule amount of money and yet get results. How? Let me take my own example. My daily budget is just about 150 rupees, which would be something like $2 or $2.2, 2.2 US dollars per day, and yet I get results. How do I get results in such a small amount? The first credit goes to Google itself, because Google has created a platform which is called Google Ads, which used to be called AdWords. It's a very efficient platform. It allows you to milk the searches happening on Google in a very efficient way. So it's a brutally efficient platform. I don't have to tell you how many searches happen on Google. I mean, it's a minefield. There is nothing that is not being searched on Google as we speak. And there is nothing that is not being searched on Google in huge numbers as we speak. So Google AdWords allows you to target those searches very, very efficiently. That's one. Second, it gives you the option of defining your keywords in the simplest way. So you could actually have a two-word keyword. Let's say you are a Google Ads professional. So your keyword could be as simple as Google Ads or Google AdWords or AdWords Professional. And that would allow you to access a lot of searches happening on Google about this particular service. Then you can put in negative keywords. So negative keywords help you prevent showing your ad for irrelevant searches. For example, if somebody is searching for Google AdWords customer care, you block care and your ad won't be shown for that particular search afterwards. The last thing is that you make your ad in a way where your CTR is very high. What is CTR? CTR is how many times the ad was clicked divided by how many times the ad was shown multiplied by 100. So it's a percentage. So if your CTR is as high as 20%, your frequency is going to be very high, because Google makes money out of clicks. So the system wants to show those ads which get a very high CTR, and hence your ad will get better frequency, more frequency than warranted by your bid. So even if your bid is small, let's say your bid is just 7 rupees, even then your ad will be shown at a high frequency, because Google wants the ad to be clicked and hence make money. And that is your cue to actually manage the bids manually and reduce the bids as you see your budget getting exhausted. So if your budget, you've already exhausted 100 out of 150 rupees, you make your bid 4 rupees and see if the rest of the clicks you can get at this cost or not. So when you use the system in this way, it actually allows you to get a very high traffic for a very low cost. Last thing in this is that obviously, unless your website is good, because ultimately all these clicks are going to your web page. If your web page is not good, then frankly nothing will ever help you. Simply because a customer will not convert because of ads. He will not even notice an ad. He will notice the ad only as far as he clicks it. But on the web page, he will spend some time. He will not spend half an hour as people think. He might spend just 5 minutes. But if he finds answers to his questions on your web page and a convenient way to respond, so a pop-up, inquiry form or something, then your response will be better than average. So if you follow these simple tips, which I follow, then a budget of even 150 rupees per day, which is about $2, 2 US dollars per day, is going to fetch you some results. So I do it every day, and that is how I manage my business on very, very, very low cost. Thank you.